Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurzulhijatul Balkis binti Akbar. My metric number is 17DHF2NF1012. So, our topic is about mise en place. Okay, so concept of mise en place is the French term mise en place literally means to put in place or everything in its place. Next, creating the right ambience for the restaurant to appropriate policies and design are essential. In culinary context, it refers to elementary preparation step of food preparation. So last, this means gathering and preparing the ingredients, assembling ingredient to be cooked and assembling the tools and equipment necessary to cook them. So, I pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurmashitah binti Muhammad Suhaimi and my number metric is 17-F21F1004. So, I will explain about how to plan and organize mise en place production. Then, let's start it. Here are 4 plans I can feature. It is pre-preparation, handling temperature, adapting preparation to style of service, and the last one is mise en place, the required tasks. The first plan is about pre-preparation. Pre-preparation is necessary. First of all, you need to choose the tools and cooking utensils you want to use. All equipment must be clean and safe to use. For example, a blunt knife must be sharpened first. Also, the blender must work well. Finally, measuring devices should be checked for safety. Next, prepare all the ingredients to be used in your cooking. Collect the ingredients to be washed, cut and chopped. Lastly, prepare your equipment first. For example, if you want to saute and fry, heat a pan. Next, if you want to bake, preheat the oven. Finally, if you want to steam, preheat the steamer. Next, the chef must plan pre-preparation carefully. First, divide each menu item into production stage. Second, determine which stage may be complete in advance. Third, determine the ideal technique to hold each item at the final stage of pre-preparation. 4. Determine how long it takes to prepare each stage of each recipe. 5. Create a production timeline, beginning with the most time-consuming preparation. And last one, examine recipe to see whether there may be improved in terms of efficiency and quality. Lastly, the goal. The goal of pre-preparation is to do as much work in advance as possible without loss of quality. Quality should always take highest priority. So, we move to the second plan. The second plan is about holding temperature. Holding temperature, the temperature at which a product is kept for service or for storage. Holding temperature for all potentially hazardous foods must be outside the food danger zone. Food danger zone, 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius. Next plan is about adapting preparation to style of service. On this plan, divided into 2 categories. The first category is called set meal service. In these categories, all customers eat at one time, then often called quantity cooking because large batches are prepared in advance. For example, school cafeterias, banquet, and employee dining rooms. The second category is called extended meal service. In these categories, customers eat at different times. Next, often called a la carte cooking, customers usually select items from a written menu, in bracket cut in French. Individual items are cooked to order rather than cooked ahead. For example, restaurants, short order counters. The last plan is mise en place, the required task. It is a large part of a cook's workday is spent doing mise en place. A large part of learning how to cook is learning how to do mise and place. So I think that's all from me. Then I will give to the next person to explain their point. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi. My name is Muhammad Muaz Hani bin Zulkifli. Number metric 17-F21F1008. Today I want to present about preliminary cooking and flavoring. Preliminary cooking and flavoring. Advanced preparation of the rigorous curtain pre-cooking and flavoring of ingredients to make them ready for us in the finished recipe. On the most obvious level, if a recipe for a chicken salad calls for cook the chicken, you must first cook the chicken before you can proceed with the recipe. A complete cooking procedure in such a case is part of the mise en place or pre-preparation. Next, blanching and pre-cooking. First, to increase holding qualities. Second, to save time. Next, to remove in the reset flavor. And lastly, to enable the product to be processed further. Lastly, marinating. First, flavor the product. Second, tenderize the product. And last, control bacteria growth. This is all from us. Thank you.